Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and heading straight to General. This is where system-level identity lives. Once inside General, tap About and look for Name. That line controls what others see in Airdrop. You're not changing Apple ID or iCloud here. You're changing the device label. So tap Name now. This first step places you in the exact field that Airdrop broadcasts, which is why it's the only correct place to rename the device for discovery. You'll see a text field with the current name. Tap it and the keyboard appears. Replace the text with a clear, concise name. Include your first name or device purpose so others can recognize you quickly. Make sure there are no leading spaces and avoid special characters that could confuse other devices. Once done, tap Done. The system saves instantly, and the new label becomes the Airdrop identifier across Bluetooth and Wi-Fi discovery. After changing the name, verify it by opening Control Center, enabling Airdrop, and viewing how your device appears to another phone. If you still see the old name, restart the iPhone to force a broadcast refresh. This usually resolves caching. Also confirm Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled because Airdrop requires both for discovery. If problems continue, sign out of iCloud isn't needed. Renaming via About is the only reliable method for changing the Airdrop name.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.